Let us do one more problem based on trigonometric identities, which is very important one, but simple. Okay, we can simply solve it. See here, prove that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equal to 2 cosecant theta. We need to show this. For this, you need to take this LHS and we need to obtain this one. Okay, see this. LHS part equal to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. This is your LHS part. You don't need to do anything else, just to take LCM. Take LCM. So what we have to do? Sin theta times of sin theta. Multiply it together to get sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta multiplied with 1 plus cos theta. So we get square 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. One plus cos theta into sin theta. Now tell me here, this is sin square theta. Now this is here, if you want to solve this bracket, 1 plus cos theta whole square, which is in the form of what? A plus b whole square, which can be written as what? A square plus b square plus 2ab from algebra. Okay, expand it. A square means here 1 is a, so a square means here 1 square plus b square means what? Cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into cos theta, that would be 2 cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Write it as it is. Okay. Now tell me, here just do the small rearrangement in the terms so that it can be further simplified. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta group it together. Okay, plus 1 square can be written as 1 plus 2 cos theta upon what? This 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, as it is we wrote. Okay, now just tell me here, what about this part? Is this sin square theta plus cos square theta means, is this a standard identity or not? Yes, it's an identity and value of it would be 1. So we can put here 1 plus 2 cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, right? Now 1 plus 1 would be how much? 2 plus 2 cos theta by 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta equal to, see this here, 2 can be taken common from the numerator, 2 terms, understood? 2 can be taken common. When we took out 2, here 1 is left over, 1 and 2 from 2 cos theta, when we take out 2, here cos theta will be left over upon what? 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, right? I think here 1 plus cos theta can be cancelled in numerator and denominator part. So what is left over here? 2 into 1 by sin theta was left. Now how can we write 1 by sin theta? Is it cosecant theta or not? 2 into, we can write this as cosecant theta because sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. So sin theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta and 1 by cosecant theta can be written as sin theta, right? So here 2 cosecant theta. I think we obtained our required RHS. Okay, so we took LHS part and we obtained RHS part successfully just by taking LCM of the given expression and simply solving it. Understood? This is also one of the problem based on what? Trigonometric identities, because we used here sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is a first trigonometric identity, so to solve this. So this is also one of the part from trigonometric identities. I hope you guys would have understood this. Okay, so anyways guys, be connected with us. We'll come up with head storming models also in our next videos.